gorgeous sisters. Hello, you. Look at him. You're gorgeous. Bro's fresh from Brazil. Look at him as well. He's got he's got the one. That's the one with the Mohican out of Rio. Wait, you know the bad one out of Rio.
He's like, fuck off, man.
Are you flirting? What? Bro's loud.
Hello, bro.
Hello, it's got me Hello.
Put the camera on him. Put the camera on him.
Hello.
Look, he's trying to speak English. Listen to him. Look. What are you saying? You're saying mellow. What are you saying? You're saying something, bro. Mellow. He said mellow. Didn't he? Mellow, mate.
Oh,
Hello, mate.
why is he climbing down on that, you sneaky guy? Why is he so sneaky? That was quiet.
so
That was
quiet,
quiet.
he's so
Down. These animals are sick. Oi, is there more? Is there more animal places? Oh, swear this is what you got at home.
Yeah. So, who are you?
Bro, just wait at me. Say hello. Bro's Quagmire from Family Guy. Do it again.
What are you saying, mate?
You want to chat, do you? You ignored me last time.
Hello. Hello, mate. Hello, you. What's your name, mate?
Brazil.
Well, you from your...
He's like a tiger, isn't he? That's weird. He's like a zebra face. Bro's got a zebra face.
Bro's real. Bro's alive. Oh, he should
Bro's
be out in the
scattered
world.
out.
He shouldn't be here.
Yeah, he should be Brazil. You little Brazilian.
Yeah, mate, he's clicking us. Hello, mate.
Come over here.
Hello, mate.
Why are you so posh?
Hello.
He's like a little bold guy.
Look, he's saying back. He's saying back. What is he saying? What are you yapping about? What are you yapping? What? Oh, he's getting vexed. What are you yapping about, bro?
Bro's karate kidding us.
I didn't do
Bro's like,
nothing.
I'm angry.
King,
I'm
I ain't doing
angry.
nothing.
Wait,
You
listen
bite
to what he
your
has
nose
to
off.
say.
It's me in the morning, biting my nose off.
What are you doing? What's up with you?
Hello, mate.
Hello.
Why do you want attention? What is going on?
Everything I'm saying, he's copying me.
Hello, mate. Hello, mate.
I'm telling you. Hello, mate. Hello, mate. He's like a job.
What are you doing with the trumpet? Where's the trumpet? There's no one with a meeting.
He's like, yeah.
Oh, he's a monster. What are you doing? Stop flirting with me.
I like your hair, bro.
Bro, you celebrated. What are you doing? Bro's horny. You got a boner. What the fuck? Shit up. Little green goblin. Yo, bro's horny.
Hello, mate.
Bro needs to shut up. Imagine living here. Hey,
Bro,
he just said
you're
hello, mate.
Bro, you're right.
He's actually copying what he's saying.
Hello, mate. Hello, mate. Hello, fella. You're very gorgeous, ain't you? You want to get out, bro?
Wait, where are you going? Trumpet's not stopping up. What are you doing?
Hello.
Do that again. Say it again. Bro's just got a fluffy face. He's listening to us.
Bro, do you mind if
Bro,
you do a
Bro's
little...
reading what we say. He's like, what are you doing?
Yeah, that's it, yeah. Thank you, bro. Get him for a camera now. What are you saying, little fellow? Yeah.
Oh, Bro's went to the other end. Oh. Sing.
He's so gorgeous, isn't he?
Oh my god, look at him.
He's
trying to beat him. He's trying to beat him.
Scatty, I feel for him. Oh, he should be out of the world, though.
He's like, get me out of here. Get me out.
Look, he's sad.
Bro's
He's
playing with his
trapped. Bro, imagine
toys.
being trapped and you should be out in the world. You're trapped here.
Bro's like, get me out of here. Give me my food.
Please, it's like I miss my
Wait,
jump
let's
shot.
find more animals though. Wait, let's find... Wait, quick, we only have half an hour, so we find like some horses and shit.
What's he saying? Right, see you later, mate. See you later, fella. Oi, stop, he always copies me, he's so annoying. It's like Clive, right, look.
See you later, mate.
See you later, mate.
Please say bye to this one. Hey, you. Bye bye.
Are you?
Bye.
It's like an outro.
And you. Oh, he's scanning. Oh, mate. Oh, they're scared of him. He's trying to start on them.
Oh, look, he's scared. You're alright, little man. Leave him alone, you big bully. Leave him alone. Starting him again, mate. I don't mean. Thanks, man. See you later.
Wait, why is he holding it like that? He's holding it in his hand like he's got, like he's sophisticated.
Look.
He's just eating the nuts out of his hand.
Like that.
Alright, bye-bye you.
Bye, mate.
And you green goblin. Next one. Oh, Tom Brady posing. We're in the Christmas section. Very loud. What's
Check down Christmas.
Wait, this Santa. There's a car. Too awkward in the Christmas section.
And it's bang, bang. Should we go back to Paris, but? Say hello to him before we go.
Yeah. There's loads of big parts.
Got 9 grand. Look, oh, you're
Richard?
Done that. Built by 1990.
They're lovely.
Will I be able to keep that alive till Thursday, Josh?
What is it, Thursday?
My mum's birthday.
Ooh, £10 town. Weren't even English. £10 birthday challenge.
Looking, it's a
Spend
£10 gift.
for the mum's birthday. What when do you want? There's definitely more down there.
Yeah.
Oh, look at creepy fucking. Wait, we can go in there. We can go on the ski resort. Yeah, we can. That's Centerland. What are they speaking?
What did you say?
Oh. What the hell? That's why they were speaking.
Well, let's go, bro. Let's go there, wait for us.
Wait, there's Christmas trees. We should buy one. Found Santa. Santa's there. Hello, Dad. Oh, sorry. Shall we? Cheers, my friends. And Emmy's definitely speaks. He said, hey, I'm over here. Oh, it's a water fountain. Eli, look. Look at this water fountain.
Loud little fella, wait ya. And tell your boy.
Look at them all gone nuts. Let's go over to the...
Hello, little fella. Hello. Hello, mate.
He's like, oh, you saw that.
I said, hello. Nice around.
He's wasn't looking at it. It's so cool.
Hello to me.
Yeah, Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, mate.
Oh, you said extra fries. Extra fries. What are you doing? You stop it now.
Come here, boy.
Oi, say
I love bollocks. I love bollocks.
He's fucking off.
we
Let's go, let's go.
Shit. That's oh. Oh. He's eating again. As soon as we leave, he starts to eat. Oh, what happened to you?
You're right, little
You get burned.
You're rescued.
Oh, little cutie. Oh, that's how they get here then. You swear you should drop the tenner? Bro, you should drop the tenner. I swear down all your cards. What? Thank fuck I saw that. That's how you lose stuff all the time. Pound has been complete. Bro said,
I want a small bonsai.
and he's getting a bonsai for £10, $9.99. He's done it. Right, let's go. Done. Complete.
Just getting this bonsai.
That
quick.
looks sick. It's got crest leaf in it and shit.
Look, just get this I'm just going through customs. Just going through customs now.
Oh, look at this. So,
This makes your rooms really clear air.
does this look? What, so you breathe in nice air? What one? Don't know whatever one. £10 complete. No stick for you.
I saw it, I was just putting it up.
Are you any good at growing them then?
Yeah,
Grows a lot of stuff.
a lot of stuff.
You little Sasquatch.
Yeah, a lot of stuff.
As long as it's only bonsai.
Yeah, just a lot of bonsais. Just a lot of bonsais, mate.
Yep.
I've had to work the camera on for this. It's currently 2 AM. Well, 2:30. I've just spent 2 hours editing audio for the last bit because YouTube kept copywriting everything. I tried posting this video twice, but they copyrighted it twice. So I'm hoping it don't get done again because I think 3 times and they'll take my channel down. I don't want that. So yeah, praying. Just people that like and subscribe would be appreciated. Love. Look at this boy going. That's awesome driving. How do you feel to be 15 and a better driver than Elijah Allen?
I didn't realise how weird the steering wheel was.
What's going on? What's going on?
What are you doing?
What is going on?
What are you doing about it?
Are you gonna count it, Joe?
We don't. Yeah.
I want to buy it. I want to get baked. We can't say enough. It's a real one. Yeah. We can't say enough. Where did you find that? We in the chest. What's going on, man? Come on, man. Tap on the window. What's going on, man? I couldn't think of. All I could think to say is, "Are you a Down syndrome?" But I don't want to say.
Come on.
Kiwi pooing crumpets, did you say?
kiwi cucumber.
Maple, Movie, and Moo Mama.
Say me that smoothie
Maple,
and just get groovy.
Movie, and Moo Mama. Maple. It's Maple. What else is it?
Sound like your mum.
What else is it? It's Kiwi, it's Movie, and it's Moo Mama. Hello. Come down there and you're met with me. Huh? That's just pulled in here. Where are the meds at? Medicals. Meds. Meds. Meds.
Like, subscribe, comment on this video. We'll see you later.